The 36th District Court for the State of Michigan is back in session. I am Judge Christina V. Kennedy, and I'm presiding over the docket for courtroom 433 today. This is a landlord-tenant docket. I am calling the Tuesday, May 21st, 2024, 1:35 docket early. It is now 12:42 p.m. There's one case on the docket, and I'm calling it now. Now calling case number 24345-780. This is Reginald Webb versus Takesha Sneeder, or Snedecar. It's spelled Snedecar. This matter is before the court on a complaint to recover possession of property. Today is the date and time scheduled for a technical first hearing in this matter. This matter was initially heard by the court on April 23rd, 2024. At that time, there was no proof of service in the file, and so the court adjourned the matter to today. We are going to proceed on this technical first hearing because there is now a proof of service in the file. Pursuant to Michigan Supreme Court Administrative Order 2020-17, all first hearings are to be adjourned, and so this matter will be adjourned to June 4th, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. That will be an in-person hearing. It will take place in courtroom 433 down at the 36th District Court. 36th District Court is located at 421 Madison in downtown Detroit. All parties are to report to the court in person on June 4th at 8:30 a.m. to courtroom 433. Plaintiffs need to bring to the next court hearing a copy of the deed, a copy of the lease agreement if there's one in place. If there's a property management in place, the plaintiff needs to bring that as well. I do have the completed proof of service. Rent is not an issue in this complaint to recover possession of property, but if it was an issue, the plaintiff would need to bring a copy of the most up-to-date rental ledger. Defendant needs to bring any evidence that supports the defense, and it needs to be reduced to paper. Specifically, I'm speaking of rental receipts or photographs that needs to be put on paper and brought to the court if there is any supporting the defense. Defendants have the right to an attorney. If the defendant logs into the Zoom session today, the defendant will be able to speak to the agency attorneys that are present. The agency attorneys will provide legal advice with the potential of them taking on the defendant's case to represent the defendant free of charge throughout the close of these proceedings. That concludes these matters, or this matter. The matter is adjourned to a subsequent hearing / pretrial on June 4th at 8:30 a.m. Court is in recess. And let me end the live.